Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn and an OR operator with the if then else statement. And for this purpose, I have selected an object according to which I need to input a number and find whether the number is a single digit number, a double digit number, or a three digit number. So it will be my choice that the number that is going to be input into the system will be a single digit number, a two digit number, or a three digit number, and the program must select that whether or must identify that whether the number is single digit, two digit, or three digit. In this scenario, I shall use one variable to store the number and if then else statement for the verification of the number, whether it is a single digit, double digit, or three digit number. Few constants to remember. Number one, that the single digit numbers are from 0 till 9. If I talk about only positive numbers, then 0, since it is a neutral number, so it will also be counted from 0 till 9. These numbers are considered as single digit numbers. From 10 till 99, these numbers are called double digit numbers, and from 100 till 999, these numbers are called three digit numbers. So in this scenario, I'm going to verify my code on a programming language, that is Python. So I'm going to write down the code. I do declare and initialize variable number is equals to int 0. Initialization and declaration is done at this step. Then I need to show a message for the user to input a number. Then number is equals to int, since it is Python 3.9.0. So defining variable type at the input stage is also recommended. So that is the structure of inputting a value into a variable in Python version 3.9.0. Number is equals to int input. So these three lines are actually phase 1 and phase 2 of a program in which we need to declare the variables, or phase 2, that is input of data. So according to pseudocode, it will be number, let me declare it to declare number to 0 as integer, since floating point number is not required in this scenario. Second one is output, enter any number, then input number. First step, declaring the number type and its initial value. Step number 2, producing a prompt on screen. Step number 3, asking for a value by the user. Okay, now moving further. Now I shall place if statement to find whether the number is a single digit number, a double digit number, or a three digit number. So for this purpose, I shall use if statement. If number is less than or equals to 1, and number is greater than or equals to, no, this condition is wrong. If the number is greater than or equals to 1 and number is less than or equals to 9, then print str. I need to apply string function for concatenation on number plus is single digit number, inverted comma close, bracket close. and first statement is completed. Let me check whether it is working or not. I do press F5, enter any number. I do input 2. 2 is a single digit number. The message is appeared on the screen. So I do continue the code. You can see that the two conditions are applied. First condition is number is greater than or equals to 1 and number is less than or equals to 9. And here that is you can see written in the orange color is actually considered as the logical operator and this line. So according to this operator, both the conditions must be passed. Means if number is greater than or equals to 1 or number is less than or equals to 9, then it will decide the number is the single digit number. Moving forward, it will be else if, sorry, it is elif number is greater than or equals to 10 and number is less than or equals to 99. Means all the double digit numbers are included in this range. From 10 till 99, all the numbers are actually double digit numbers. Print str, it is necessary in Python to apply a string function on the variable for concatenation plus is 2 or double digit number. Inverted comma close, bracket close. Let me check it again. Yes, F5. Enter any number. I write here 9. 9 is a single digit number. It means output is correct. Then again I do run it. I will execute it and this time I will input 87 to find whether the code is working or not. 87 is a double digit number. It means according to this output, why this output 87 is double digit number appeared on the screen, because the conditions with the if statement number is greater than or equals to 1 and number is less than or equals to 9, both conditions are failed. Then elif number is greater than or equals to 10 and number is less than or equals to 99. These conditions are passed. Both conditions are passed. According to AND operator, both the conditions means first condition that is before AND operator and second condition that is after AND operator. Both conditions must be passed. Then the actions will be attempted. Now the final condition, since I talked earlier about the validation of the data that I'm not going to apply any validation in this code. So I'm only assuming that I shall input minimum 1 digit number or maximum 3 digit number, not more than 3 digit numbers, right? So for this scenario, I shall use else print str bracket open number bracket close plus is equals to is 3, or I can type triple digit number, inverted comma close bracket close, control S. Let me check the code. 1 1 is a single digit number. 12 12 is a double digit number. Till now it is correct. And finally I have to check 985. 985 is a triple digit number. So according to our requirements, output is appeared on a screen. So my code to find the number is a double digit number, a single digit number, or a triple digit number is finalized. So let me complete it into the pseudocode. So what will be the pseudocode for this condition? It will be if number is greater than or equals to 1 and number is less than or equals to 9. Then output number plus is single digit number. What will come across? Then I have to copy it since it is Microsoft Word, so only few amendments are required. It will be else if in pseudocoding number is greater than or equals to 10 and number is less than or equals to 99. Then number is double digit number. And then final. I did not apply the condition for triple digit number, so it will be else number is triple digit number. And then and if. So this code to find out whether the input number is a single digit number, a double digit number, or a triple digit number is completed. So I hope you people have understand that how a number can be identified. This code does not contain any type of validations. This code can be more smart, can be more valid according to requirements. So since I did not apply any type of validations in this code, so you cannot assume it as a perfect code. But just to clear the concept of students, I do or I implement if then else statement to find out whether the input number is a single digit number or double digit number or a digit number. So I hope there will be no confusions for you peoples. Take care. Allah Hafiz.